Before going forward, don't forget to take advantage of the 5% discount on offer through the link via the video description to better enjoy every single trade on Binance at a lower rate. Simply sign up via the link in the description and you're good to go. Today on Crypto Fox, is Dogecoin set for a major breakout? What would it mean for the already quite volatile crypto? Stick around to find out, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Dogecoin is experiencing a meteoric rise that could see it break out at a new all-time high. Analysts admit that the meme crypto, despite its rough edges, seems positioned for a major breakout to a higher level. There is just a single resistance that stands as a barrier to another upswing. From its price at around 30 cents, it could grow up to about 100%. The network growth of Dogecoin continues increasing, adding credence to the bullish outlook. The coin has already grown by roughly 600%. The digital asset has a ton of bullish momentum behind it and aims for a new leg up towards a major upside move to hit 60 cents. Currently, the pumps seem to have slowed and we could see a minor correction soon enough, which will sponsor the highly anticipated breakout. The selling pressure seems to be building up, but major holders of Dogecoin seem to be holding on statically to withstand the pressure. If it falls as low as 11.5 cents, a new resistance will have been set at a previous high of about 8 cents. However, this doesn't validate a switch to a bearish outlook. A bounce back up to the upside due to the rush of new investors can still happen in a positive reversal for that case scenario. We can still replicate the more than 600% increase that we've had this far into the month. This puts the total gain at about 2,000%. Elon Musk has been a major player in the support bank of Dogecoin with his more than appreciated hints and tweets, which have led to Dogecoin gaining even much larger public recognition. His latest tweet being about Doge barking at the moon. This led to an upswing of about 50% earlier this month. Every time he tweets about Dogecoin, it's been met with periodic spikes that have seen its price grow on the charts. Not many of them were maintained, mostly due to the immense selling pressure that comes from subsequent dumps. It last traded at about 34 cents after reaching as high as 45 cents, according to data on blockchain and cryptocurrency website CoinDesk. According to them, so far in 2021, Dogecoin has surged over 7,000%. Dogecoin has been making headlines before, but now it should make its way into your portfolio. It will be incomplete if you don't have the crypto of the moment in it. Dogecoin is one of the more controversial cryptocurrencies, but it's also one of the most talked about. It's grown in demand, and unlike other cryptos, it has an infinite supply. Dogecoin currently has a market capitalization of about $50 billion, in line with some global businesses with large-scale operations. It has a large community of fans, some of whom have never invested before. Dogecoin is pretty much the easiest to buy due to its lower risk outlook, and it's much less scary. The fun antecedent that's been set makes it less intimidating. Having such a crypto with a huge following and publicity and at a lower price made Mark Cuban refer to it as a lottery ticket. You know, the kind that you pick for a few cents and make millions from. The only difference is that its price is certain to surge and not everyone can win a lottery. We can say that it is a lottery for anybody who takes advantage of it. Several celebrities have promoted Dogecoin. Examples are Snoop Dogg, Mia Khalifa, and Gene Simmons have all jumped on the Dogecoin bandwagon. In addition to these top celebrities and influencers, there is a lot of optimism and goodwill in those backing Dogecoin. Most notable is the event in 2014 where about 21 million Dogecoin were pilfered from a digital wallet, and the community of Dogecoin investors came together to raise money to make up for the loss. The community also engages in humanitarian aid services, such as the one in which they built water wells in Kenya. They also sponsor the Jamaicans bobsled team to attend the Sochi Olympic Games. Should you invest in Dogecoin? Well, that's kind of a weird question. Well, you should if you ever want to make money. Attention is a viable though unpredictable quality that's important to any cryptocurrency, and Dogecoin has a multitude of it from people. The unquantifiable thing about this coin is that it has people's attention. Attention is a fickle and unpredictable commodity, and in this day and age, everybody's competing for it. Some have already staked their claim on it with Mark Cuban, who owns the Dallas Mavericks. He announced that the Mavericks would accept Dogecoin as payment for tickets a while ago. He discussed that Dogecoin is not just a source of generating more money, because sometimes in business you have to do things that are fun, engaging, and hopefully generate a lot of PR. The plans are falling in place to make Dogecoin more utilizable, and this would ultimately improve its adoption. This is promising, and you only need so little to buy so much for now. In the short term, Dogecoin is almost certain to surge next time Musk tweets about it. You might decide to speculate and trade short in it, but we're fans of investing for the long term, hodling all the way through any circumstances. But let's imagine you invest $300 into Dogecoin now, in the hopes that the price will increase before your summer vacation. If there's an increase in buying influx and top Doge Musk keeps promoting Dogecoin through his tweets, you should be able to sell at a profit before July and have some extra holiday money to spend. Dogecoin won't run out of support, with the Coinbase listing probably on the horizon. More investors will have access to Dogecoin, but to fully earn anything from Dogecoin, it will be worth the wait for the long term. Dogecoin might have swept headlines, but other altcoins like Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin all took flight this week. According to one analyst on fxstreet.com, Dogecoin price witnessed another huge bull run which pushed it nearly 560%. The MRI flashed warning signs on the 4-hour and 1-day charts, suggesting that a retracement is likely. A continuation of the bullish scenario will occur if Doge shatters its recent top at 45 cents. Such a massive rise in Doge isn't surprising, considering a similar spike seen in January. On the 4-hour chart, Dogecoin price appears to be consolidating, creating a base that could either catapult the meme coin higher or kickstart a correction to crucial demand barriers. The momentum reversal indicator helps provide clarity on this ambiguous situation. The red 1 candlestick on the 4-hour chart suggests that the bull run has reached its peak. Since this setup forecasts a 1 to 4 candlestick correction, it's most likely that this consolidation will result in a downtrend. Providing headwinds to this rally is the MRI's preemptive top on the daily chart. This technical formation hints that the bull rally will shortly reach its top on the larger time frame, which paints a bearish picture. Hence, a breach of the supply zone's lower boundary at 30 cents should serve as the first sign of a corrective phase. In such a case, the Doge price will retrace 21% towards 24 cents. If the sellers overwhelm this level, a 28% pullback to the MRI's breakout line at 17 cents should be the likely course of action. On the flip side, if the buyers restart the rally, Dogecoin's price will slice through the upper boundary of its consolidation phase at 37 cents, which would hint at rising bullish momentum. If the all-time highs at 45 cents are toppled, it would seal the bullish fate and ignite a 35% upswing to 62 cents, coinciding with the MRI's breakout line. Dogecoin seems to be one of the coins still holding on to gains as it holds strongly at its all-time high, and it currently lies at just about 30 cents. Yesterday, the price bounced back up a little early around the support at 38, and now a possible breakout to the upside has been confirmed. Our new target is at 50 cents, and the second target is at 80 cents. All that being said though, I would advise that you guys don't complicate your trading plans. Stick to the same basic rules and understandings. We've been following the same trading plan for cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin for a while now, and it always works out. We'd like to help, so we're putting together a course on trading and how to cost into these markets. So if you're a beginner trader and want to learn more about how to become profitable, be sure to sign up once the course is out. We'll let you know as soon as that happens. But we've made it to the end of today's video, and if you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like, maybe sharing it with your friends, and of course, subscribing to the channel and turning on post notifications. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave them in the comment box below. Let us know what you think of Dogecoin's new movement, and where do you think it'll go next? And of course, be sure to check out some of our previous videos as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.